And then citrus multi-purpose cleaning spray. So you'll use these multi-purpose tablets. These just dissolve in your already like glass spray cleaning container. That's how we use them. You can add essential oils to them as well. This one is adding 50 drops of citrus burst. That's so much. And cleaning tablet. So add the essential oil and alcohol. That's an optional ingredient. Then fill cleaning tablet. Drop the cleaning tablet into the bottle. Fill with distilled water and allow to fully dissolve. To spray. So it's very simple to use those. I also really like hand soaps tablets where you can just drop a tablet into hand soap. It's super sustainable. Then on the back of this one, it has all of the essential oils that you're getting this month. I'll see if it'll focus. But I love this sheet because it gives you all of your safety information, which is important. And it used to be on the bottles. They've changed labeling, but there's less on the bottle now. So this is really helpful. So for example, oregano cleans, cleanses skin, supports respiration, dilute before using on the skin, and it's kid safe 10+. So you don't want to use on kids under 10.